So excited to show you a brand new listing in St. Francis, Manitoba. This beautiful home is just over 1,600 square feet. It is fully finished on both levels. You've got 4 bedrooms, you got 3 full bathrooms, an oversized double attached garage. Best things about this property is that it fronts onto the river and it is surrounded by mature oak trees, and it feels like you're in the wilderness in your own personal private escape. This is definitely one that you don't want to miss. Make sure that you schedule your private viewing.